Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to gather resources. In this game we can gather many resources like stones, wood, miscellaneous and herbs. We can use them to craft materials for further crafting. Also, we can use herbs to craft potions and food. Let's take a look at the crafting. Here we've got weapons, armors, accessories, miscellaneous skills and favorites, things we can craft. And here we've got the materials, for example quality mana steel, magic powder and polish crystals. Each material has different quality type. For example, it can be quality, precious and rare. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.